Motion detected at the front yard.
Well, good morning. Just thought I'd come on and make a quick live video, if anything, for your entertainment. But if nothing else, for my entertainment. Alright. Been working on, hang on just a second. Did you call me?
Yeah, I'm home.
Oh, I thought you was going to the grocery store. Okay, I'll see you in a minute.
Value level 2.
Alright. Get everything here situated. Here's the leg, or the foot of R2. If you know anything about R2, he's got a little groove here in his foot, and the battery box sits right here after the fact. And I was trying to figure out how in the heck I was going to be able to bend anything to put right here, so I got some sheet metal and a wooden dowel, and I put it on sheet metal like this, and I bent it in a way to where it wasn't square, or it wasn't 90-degree bend, but more of a curved bend. So now I've got to cut it yet. So, but anyway, it'll fit in here like this perfectly, and that will give his side of his foot the bend that he needs. Yeah, boy, it surely will. Hey, y'all like this video, would you? If you don't mind, share it. And if you don't mind, add me to your favorites. I don't know, whatever the hell they say about shitting videos after they finish it. Just do all that, would you please?